Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with the account that holds the activity you want to check. Once signed in, open the desktop app for the richest view. Make sure you're in the correct tenant if you switch accounts. Then go directly to the activity feed to see recent messages and mentions. If you're an admin, also open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. That gives you audit logs and usage reports. Do this now so you have the right permissions and tools in front of you. Once you're in, scan the activity feed for mentions, replies, and reactions to identify immediate items needing attention. Next, use the Chat and Teams tabs to filter by person, channel, or a custom time range so you can focus on specific interactions. If you need broader metrics, go to the Admin Center and open Analytics and Reports, then select Teams User Activity to view trends like messages sent, meetings joined, and device usage. These steps help you connect individual events to overall usage patterns. To finish, export the reports you need as CSV for offline analysis or compliance. This preserves timestamps and user ID. For detailed, event-level investigation, open audit logs in Microsoft Purview and query by activity type, user, and date range. Once done, review retention and data access settings. Make sure the right audit retention policy is enabled and that you have admin roles required to view logs. If you don't see expected events, check those retention and role settings first. That resolves most gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.